This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I'm bringing you an update on some trades that I've taken. These are live, so watch this green number. As you'll see, it's moving around because these are live trades on a live account. So let's just go. And also today is the 15th of April 2020. You can see the date right here in the corner, so you can see it's there. Okay, all right, so let's begin. Here's triple arrows right here, and this is on the AUD Swiss, and as you can see, I'm up 70 pips on that one. Let's take a look at this one here, and some of these I sent out into the signal group as well. I try not to send out too many, but as you can see, here goes 103 pips. Let me move this little zones that I had drew yesterday for class for the students. We were showing how to mark up zones. So yes, in class during the week, we teach classes. So not only do you be able to have the system, but you'll be able to attend classes. I teach 2 classes a week. Mr. Irving teaches a class a week. Miss Jenny teaches a class once a week. Now, if you join the signal service, that's different. You even get more classes, okay? But that's a different story. So here we go, AUD JPY. This is the M30. You can clearly see I'm up 102 pips on this one. Let's take a look at this one here, which I sent out to the signals group, and they clocked some pretty good pips. As you can see, this is the AUD USD. I'm currently up 133 pips on that one. Let's go to the Euro AUD. Let's take a look at that one. Let me move my head out the way. As you can clearly see, I'm currently up 177 pips on that one. Okay, and here's the AUD, Euro AUD. Let's look at the Euro NZD. This week has been a very good week. 221 pips, as you can see, Euro NZD, 221 pips. We're not done. We're not done. Now, this is not every week it's like that, but hey, you know, this is a good week. Some weeks you get a few good trades. Some weeks give you a lot of good ones. So just showing you that the system works, though, okay? This is not a gimmick. And again, you can take a look on your own charts, verify this. This is April 15th, 2020, and this is right before the U.S. session, okay? Right before the U.S. session. So check your own charts. So let me go to the GBP AUD. Let me see if that one right here. Okay, and you can see I'm currently up 124 pips on that one. And GBP JPY, that's 106 pips on that one. And then NZD USD, I'm currently up, and let me move my head down, 95, 96 pips on that one. And then on gold, we're just teeter-tottering around, okay? All right, so as you can see, let's try to go back through this. All right, so let's write this down. I should have wrote them down the first time. So 66 pips, we'll just say 66 on that one. Okay, AJ, let's go to that one, 101. We'll just say 100. Then let's do AUD USD, 132 on that one. I'm going to give you a total of the pips. Okay, then Euro AUD, 166. Euro NZD, 215. GBP AUD, let's see where it is, 121. GBP JPY, 99. We'll just round it to 100. There we go, it hit 100 anyway. NZD USD, 93. No, 94 now. We'll leave it at 93. And gold, I won't count that. Their pips are different, so it's not the same. Okay, so I'm not going to count that one. So let's just leave it there for now. And let's do some math together. And then I got to go because I got to teach class in 9 minutes. All right, so let's pull out the calculator and see how many pips we have. All right, okay, so here we go. So let's do 66 plus 100 plus 132 plus 166 plus 215 plus 121 plus 100 plus 93. So that gives me a total of 993 pips. Ain't that good? 993. Now, again, I do not take every triple arrow I see. That's why you come to class and learn which ones we take and what time we take our trades. That makes a world of a difference, you guys. It makes a huge, huge difference. So anyway, if you want to join us, come on in. We're waiting on you. The family is growing. Everybody's pretty much cheerful and happy because we're a very supportive team and trading family. So if you want to be a part of us, just go to supereasyforex.com and go ahead and sign up. And as soon as you do, you don't have to wait on anything. Just use the username and password you create as you're creating your profile. Just log right back in after you purchase. Log right back in, begin the tutorials, and you'll be good to go to join the family, okay? All right, now, here's the key, though. Make sure you're going through the tutorial program. Do not be one of these people who just want to slap the indicators on your charts and keep it moving. There's a certain way we use these tools and a certain time we use these tools. And when you understand that, you'll be fine. If you don't, then you won't be successful because we don't take every triple arrow we see. We look for a criteria to meet what we're looking for. And once you've studied and you understand this, boy, I'm telling you, you'll be good to go. Trading is not that complicated, okay? All right, have a good day, you guys. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and God bless. All right, if I can turn this thing off. There we go.